Manuel Gaming says, hi Awall, hope you're well. Could a content creator go from full-time with just multi-streams and VODs with brand deals for reach, or the brand, or just exclusively using platform monetization features? This is a great question. Thank you so much for asking. So what I would tell you is that I currently am doing what you're describing. Like right now, Andrew Wall is doing what you're describing, okay? So I am a full-time content creator who is multi-streaming and doing videos and getting brand deals and putting all of that together to make a living right now. So I talk about my money all the time, and I'll tell you what money I'm making, okay? So each month I make about, at this point, I'm gonna be making about $6,000 per month in contracting and consulting. So I help content creators and do contracting and consulting with them. I make about $1,000 per month. I'll literally show it to you right now on the screen here on YouTube. On this particular YouTube channel, I make about $1,000 a month off of this YouTube channel. I make $2,000 to $4,000 per month off of Amazon Associates from my YouTube channel and from my live streams. And then I make another $300 to $500 per month off of TubeBuddy affiliates, which is supported by live streams like this one and the videos I make on my channel. And so when I put all of those income sources together, that becomes my full-time living. I multi-stream, I release VODs, and I'm putting together all of that income, and I'm making a living off of it right now. I literally just went full-time as a content creator, finally, 8 days ago. So if you're asking, is that possible? The reason why I'm doing these streams and I'm talking about this in this free content is that I am literally doing it right now. All the things I'm telling you about of grow your YouTube channel, drive that traffic over to Twitch, diversify your revenue. I'm not just speaking, from the soapbox over here, telling you guys to do things, that are theoretically going to work for you. They are literally working for me right now, and they work for my clients that I coach through my consulting service. I don't talk out of my ass. I don't talk about things that don't work and that I haven't personally tested. So everything you're ever gonna see coming out of my mouth on this podcast or on my channel, I'm either currently doing in a tutorial, I have done myself in the past, or I have done with a client and confirmed that it has worked in real life on the internet. That's the way I operate. So if you wanna know if it works, it works. It's working for me right now. Oh, and I didn't mention the sponsorship revenue. So currently I make $1,000 per month in sponsorship revenue, and starting in 2021 on these podcasts like this one, I'm gonna be making $3,000 per month in sponsorship revenue. So do you see how I'm connecting all of those different revenue sources together with restreams and with video creation to create an online business? I'm just telling you guys what I'm doing. I'm just telling you what currently works for me. And if you guys can get inspiration from that, and you guys can use some of the tactics, use some of the business strategies that I'm using, then you guys can potentially maybe make your dream happen too, or at least increase your revenue, or at least increase your audience growth along the way. Does that make sense? I hope that makes sense.